How's it going, everybody? Today we're gonna do a review and installation of this Ego 3-tooth metal blade. I ordered this off of Amazon for like 30 bucks, 35 bucks, something like that. And this is the package it came in. Let's open it up. And this is everything it comes with. Protector. So this is everything that was in the box. And these are the instructions on how to install it. Seems pretty simple. I will be installing it on my multi-head. Before purchasing this, I did make sure that it fit this, and this is the model right there. STA 1500. Before installing it, I will be removing the head. It's got two tabs, this one and this one. You just push those in and they should pop off. Once this comes off, I just remove the string from that because it's so easy to string. And I'm gonna upgrade string. You got a nut in there, and it's a 15 millimeter. So when you put your socket on there, you got this port on the side. You see the opening right there. We'll take something, hold it in there, and it stops it from spinning. And right there, you just hold this, bust the nut loose, and then that's when you start installing the kit. You're able to loosen this up. And for this thing, it's righty loosey, lefty tighty. So you're gonna loosen it going clockwise and tighten it going counterclockwise. Once you loosen it up, you will have these pieces right here. This whole unit, that's where the nut is. And this whole thing splines up to there. We will be using this and this whenever we install the blade. So like I just said, this guy goes in here like this, splines up. And then goes the washer face down like that. Then you can install the blade. It don't matter which way, but right there it's gonna be sitting flush. And that's when you install this guy right here. It's the outer flange. It's splined. That way it doesn't spline in there. And then once this is installed, you can put your nut. And I decided to buy a whole new shaft. That way I didn't have to take that one off. That way I can just swap the shafts from this guy to my trimmer. And that is how you install this blade onto your weed eater attachment. Let's try it out. I mainly bought this for things like this that the weed eater might not be able to tackle. I mean, the weed eater could probably take most of all this stuff, but a bunch of these are like smaller trees that are growing, and I don't want to force the weed eater to get them. So let's test it out on these guys. So you guys have a lot of brush that you guys want to clear out, smaller stuff like all this right here. This is the reason I bought it. And everything back here, we're gonna start clearing some trees back here. But I highly recommend getting this. It's this thing fits, where is it at? Right there. STA 1500 Ego. The attachment. Like I said, I purchased another weed eater attachment and just replaced the weed eater attachment with these 3 blades. That way I don't have to be switching over the heads every time I want to switch over. I can just unhook it from there and install either the weed eater or the blade. And like I said, the reason why I bought it is because all this continues back there. And hope you guys liked the review. Let me know if you guys need and or have any questions. Appreciate it.